Those are 16 question number 6. If the amounts invested in companies P and Q in 2006 are in ratio 8:9, then amounts received after 1 year as an interest is in the ratio. That means a man invested his money in two companies P and Q according to the ratio of 8:9. And we have to find the ratio of interest received by that man from the different companies. And there's a chart type of that. What is the rate of interest for that? Now, you have to be careful. That means in which year it is given. It is given in 2006. In 2006, rate of interest for the company P, that means P company is denoted by dark line and Q company is denoted by dotted line. So rate of interest for the P company is 6. This is the rate of interest. So for P it is 6 and for Q it is 4%. One thing more, whenever we have to calculate interest for the 1 year, then the compound interest and the simple interest both are equal. So we can simply use interest from the company P and interest from the company Q using our simple interest formula, because simple interest and compound interest for the first year are equal. Always remember this point. So we use formula P into R into T by 100. Now what is the principal money in the first company is 8. That means we can take it as 8x. Rate of interest in the P company is 6% and time is for 1 year over 100. Similarly, interest for the Q, we have 9x and rate of interest is 4% for 1 year over 100. Now we have to find amount received interest after 1 year in the ratio. That means we have to find the ratio of both of the interest. So when we find the ratio of these interest, then interest of this from the P company and interest received from the Q company is equal to 8x into 6 over 9x into 4. 100 and 100 get cancel, x and x cancel. 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. And we get the ratio 4:3. So our option number D is the right answer.